Sworn, that means Kane really is gone.
How could you completely Are you crazy? Of course you're crazy!
Hey, we all need to just calm down.
Ragatha's right.
Figure this out! There's nothing to figure out anymore! Not if you feel real confused! Oh, what a goddamn diggity ding!
Congratulations, all
Girl,
of
what?
my
You're not my friend.
friends. Our salvation has come to an end.
Oh yeah, bitch. You better let me go
Put
right
on your Sunday best, 'cause there's no chance
No,
of
Gangle, I'll save you, baby girl.
We play
Girl,
the
baby girl,
game,
Tommy, here I
try
come.
to ignore the past.
All that remains.
Cause your stupidity is past infinity. And now I'm running the show!
Born a hero,